That was strange. What was that? That's a weird noise. Anybody have any idea what that is? Maybe I'll do it again. I don't know. That was a weird noise. Anybody ever heard that before? Know what that is? Sounds like a data transmission to me. I don't know. And I'm not an expert. I'm just going by what my gut tells me that sounds like. Sounds like information being transmitted. You know, if you had like a receiver on the other end to decode that, whatever. I don't know. It's just weird. Anybody out there know what that is?